Hello, today we're going to look at icons on PlayStation Portable. So let's jump over to the PlayStation Portable. So here we have it, turn it on, and we are in a space shooter and I'm dead. So let's jump out to that and look at icons. So here we have it, we have the icon to the left and the background to the right. Let's look at the next one, icon to the left, background in the background. And here we have a professional game that has an animation, there's also a soundtrack. It has the normal background. I do not have a animation or sound because I do not know how to add that in. So if anyone knows how to add that in, or the format of it more correctly, I know how to add it, but I don't know the format, how to encode those kind of videos. So let's look at how we add the icon on the background. So before we start looking at the scripts here, the build script, let's look at the icon and the background images I got. So I got this icon. This is very tiny size. We'll get into the size later. I got this confusing one. This is also making an appearance very soon. And I got the background I want. So let's jump into the build script. Okay, so this is the third time for me to record this. I do not see myself down here, so I don't know when the text is, my face is overlapping the text. Anyhow, we're building the e-boot, the executable for the PlayStation. So we have to provide it with an e-boot. I added in documentation here for this command. So we need an output, we need a parameter SFO, we got the parameter SFO. We're building the parameter SFO here and providing the name for a PlayStation Portable executable game. But after SFO, we need the icon PNG in the format 144x80, that's the icon. Then we have icon PMF, which I think stands for movie, the video that was playing on the commercial game. And after that, we have the picture 0, which is the background at 480 to 72, which happens to be the resolution of the PlayStation screen. And I might be wrong on this. We will see on that one. And we have PlayStation 1 PNG, which also the background. That's 480 times 272, which is also the size of the PlayStation screen. So that's the background. So this one or this one is the background. Then we have sound. And we had the sound playing, which might or might not come from the video itself. I do not know. Sony has a proprietary software to convert MP4 videos. I think it runs on Windows 95. I do not have that software, obviously, and I don't know about an open source one. So if anyone knows anything about the PMF format or the 83 format, please comment below. So we're just going to add in nulls for that. So we're going to add eboot param, icon, skip the movie, skip the PlayStation 0 picture, but I will show it because this is a re-recording. I will show it on the video later what happens if you add in that. And then you add in the picture 1, add null for the sound, and the stripped elf, which we did there. And we add in a null for the PSAR, which is PlayStation Archive. And I don't know how to use it. Kinda abuse it a little bit because I don't know the format of the PlayStation Archive. So if anyone do know that, then please add it in the documentation in the comments. I mean, but I do know how to use this with another file. So that's what might do in the future when loading sounds. But now let's execute this. There we go, and let's load this over to the PlayStation. Oh, we're going to create a new folder here. We're going to create a snake game. There we go. Jump into that one and just copy over our new built snake game. Go over here, and then we should have 2 snake games, and we do. We have the snake game we added. Oh, and see, the unused PNG just popped out, which it doesn't do here or here, and not here either. So I managed to do something, which I do not know. We should probably remove that. So let's open. Let's put away PlayStation Portable. Let's open this file, and we just going to. Was it the 0? I think it was the 0. Yeah, it was the 0. Just remove that for a null. Let's rebuild it. There we go. Let's transfer it over again. There we go. Now let's unmount it. And there we go. There we have 2 snake game, the old one that I already had on the PlayStation, and a new directory where you created and uploaded a new one. So there we have an icon and a background. Happy coding!